Hello everyone and welcome to today's Masterclass on YouTube ads, your complete blueprint for success. In the ever-evolving digital landscape of the 21st century, there's one platform that's been consistently growing and transforming the way we consume content: YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in users every month, it's no surprise that YouTube has become a significant player in the digital marketing arena. Now, imagine having the ability to tap into this vast audience to showcase your products, services, or even your ideas. That's where YouTube ads come in. They offer a powerful tool for businesses, creators, and marketers alike to reach a global audience, tailored specifically to their target demographics. YouTube ads are not just about promoting your brand. They're about telling your story in a way that resonates with your audience, about sparking conversations, building relationships, and ultimately, driving growth. In this digital era, understanding how to leverage YouTube ads effectively is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach, a creator striving to share your content with the world, or a seasoned marketer aiming to maximize return on investment, mastering YouTube ads can be a game changer. This masterclass will provide you with an in-depth understanding of YouTube ads. We'll start from the basics, working our way up to the more complex aspects. We'll cover everything from setting up your first ad campaign, creating engaging ads that captivate your audience, to optimizing your campaigns for maximum impact. Along the way, we'll also share some of the best practices in the industry, ensuring you're well-equipped to navigate the world of YouTube ads. Remember, YouTube ads aren't just about reaching a wider audience. They're about reaching the right audience. They're about creating meaningful connections and driving meaningful results. So buckle up as we dive into the world of YouTube ads. Before we jump into the deep end, it's crucial to understand the basics of YouTube ads. In the world of YouTube advertising, there's a variety of ad types to choose from, each with its own unique applications and benefits. Let's break them down. First off, we have skippable ads. These are the ads you've likely encountered most frequently. They appear before, during, or after a video, and the viewer has the option to skip after 5 seconds. These are great for longer form content, as they can be up to 12 minutes long or even longer. Next up, we have non-skippable ads. These are 15 to 20-second ads that viewers must watch before they can view the main video. They are best for short, impactful messages, as you're guaranteed to have the viewer's attention for the entire duration. Then, there's the discovery ads. These ads appear in search results, or in the related videos section, and they're designed to look more like regular content than advertising. This makes them ideal for promoting content that's informative or entertaining, and less like a traditional advertisement. Another type is the bumper ads. These are non-skippable ads that last up to 6 seconds. They're perfect for delivering a short, memorable message to your audience. Lastly, we have overlay ads. These are the small banners that appear at the bottom of the video player. They're less intrusive than other ad types, but still offer a way to promote your brand or product. Remember, each type of ad serves a specific purpose and should be used accordingly. For instance, if you have a longer message or story to tell, skippable ads might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you want to deliver a quick, unforgettable message, bumper ads could be the way to go. The key is to understand your audience, your goals, and the message you want to convey. Once you've got that down, you can select the right ad type to effectively reach and engage your target audience. With these types of YouTube ads at your disposal, you're ready to kickstart your ad campaigns. Now that you understand the different types of YouTube ads, it's time to learn how to set up your first campaign. To kick things off, you'll need to create a Google Ads account. This is the hub where you'll manage all your ad campaigns, track performance, and adjust settings. It's free to sign up, and once you're in, you'll find a comprehensive dashboard with a host of tools at your disposal. Next, head to the Campaigns tab and click New Campaign. This is where the magic happens. You'll be asked to choose a goal for your campaign. It could be sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, or brand awareness and reach. Choose the one that aligns with your objectives. Now on to the ad type. YouTube offers several options, each with its own unique advantages. Skippable in-stream ads are perfect if you're aiming for broad reach and brand awareness. Non-skippable in-stream ads are great for ensuring your message gets heard. Discovery ads are ideal for driving traffic to your YouTube channel or website, while bumper ads are short, snappy, and perfect for mobile viewers. Once you've chosen your ad type, it's time to define your audience. Think about who you want to reach with your ad. Are they young or old, male or female, tech savvy or not so much? YouTube's advanced targeting options let you get really specific. So take your time and make sure you target the right people. Moving on, let's talk budget. Setting your budget is key to managing your campaign effectively. You can choose a daily budget or set a total budget for the entire campaign. The great thing about YouTube ads is you only pay when someone engages with your ad. So if they skip it before 30 seconds or the end, whichever comes first, you don't pay a dime. Now, time to create the ad itself. You can upload a video, create a text ad, or use images. Make sure your ad is engaging and relevant to your audience. Remember, the goal is to capture their attention and get them to take action. Next up, keywords. These are crucial as they help your ad appear in relevant search results. Use the Google Keyword Planner tool to find the most effective keywords for your campaign. Lastly, select the locations and languages for your ad. You can choose to run your ad worldwide or target specific countries, regions, or even cities. Before you launch your campaign, double-check everything. Make sure your budget is set, your audience is defined, and your ad is ready to go. Once you're happy, click Save and Continue. And voila, you've just set up your first YouTube ad campaign. Having a campaign is great, but the real magic lies in creating engaging ads. And that's exactly what we're going to delve into right now. Think about it. What makes you stop scrolling and actually watch an ad? There's a good chance it's because the ad grabbed your attention, right? That's the first strategy. Understanding your audience. You need to know who you're talking to in order to create content that will grab their attention. This goes beyond just knowing their age or location. You need to understand their interests, their challenges, and what drives their decisions. When you truly understand your audience, you can craft a message that speaks directly to them. Next, let's talk about visuals and sound. These are the hooks that reel your audience in. A visually stunning ad will always stand out, but remember, many people watch videos with the sound off, so your visuals need to tell a story on their own. On the flip side, a catchy tune or interesting sound effects can also draw people in. And if you can marry compelling visuals with engaging sound, well, you've got a winning combination. But it's not just about looking and sounding good, you also need to tell a story. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can make your ad memorable and shareable. And it doesn't have to be a long, elaborate tale. Even a simple, relatable scenario can make a big impact if it resonates with your audience. Now, what about the call to action? This is where you guide your audience to the next step. Whether it's visiting your website, downloading an app, or buying a product, make it clear what you want them to do next. A clear, compelling call to action can be the difference between a viewer and a customer. And of course, don't forget about the power of testing. What works for one audience may not work for another. Try different approaches, analyze the results, and refine your strategy based on what you learn. This is the key to continuous improvement and sustained success. But remember, creating engaging ads isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires creativity, analysis, and adaptation. It's about understanding your audience, catching their eye with compelling visuals and sound, telling a story they can relate to, guiding them with a clear call to action, and constantly testing and refining your approach. It may seem like a lot, but the payoff is worth it. Engaging ads are more than just a way to sell a product or service. They're a way to connect with your audience, to build a relationship, and to create a community. And that's the real magic of YouTube advertising. Remember, the key to a successful ad is to make it as engaging and relevant to your audience as possible. So let's get to work and create some magic. Once your ads are up and running, it's time to optimize. Optimization is all about fine-tuning your efforts to achieve the best possible results. Now, how do you do that? It's a blend of monitoring, adjusting, and measuring. To start, you need to keep a close eye on your ad performance. The YouTube Ads dashboard provides a wealth of data that helps you understand how your ads are performing. You'll see metrics like views, click-through rates, and watch time. These metrics give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. If you notice your ad isn't performing as expected, it's time to adjust. Maybe your ad isn't reaching the right audience, or perhaps the messaging isn't resonating. Whatever the case may be, don't be afraid to make changes. You can tweak the targeting settings, adjust your bid strategy, or even revise the ad content. Remember, the goal is to improve performance, and sometimes that means making tough decisions. Now let's talk about measuring success. You need to define your key performance indicators, or KPIs. These are the metrics that matter most to your campaign. Maybe it's the number of conversions, or perhaps it's the cost per click. Once you've identified your KPIs, you can use them to gauge your campaign's success. It's crucial to regularly review your KPIs. If they're improving, that's a good sign your optimization efforts are working. If not, it's a signal you need to make more adjustments. But remember, optimization isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. As your campaign evolves, so too should your approach to optimization. Keep testing, keep adjusting, and above all, keep learning. Optimization is like a journey, not a destination. It's about continually striving for improvement and not settling for good enough. So, don't be afraid to experiment and take risks. It's through these efforts that you'll find the strategies that work best for your campaign. With continuous optimization, you can ensure your ads are always performing at their best. So keep optimizing, keep improving, and watch your YouTube ads campaign reach new heights of success. To wrap up, let's take a look at some best practices for YouTube ads. First and foremost, it's vital to target the right audience. Remember, YouTube is a diverse platform with users from all walks of life. It's not enough to simply cast a wide net and hope for the best. You must hone in on your target demographic, those who are most likely to engage with your content and ultimately, your brand. This can be done through detailed audience segmentation, taking into account factors such as age, interests, location, and more. Next, let's talk visuals. High-quality visuals are a non-negotiable when it comes to YouTube ads. Your visuals must be clear, compelling, and representative of your brand. This doesn't just apply to the video content itself, but also to thumbnails and any text overlays. Remember, YouTube is a highly visual platform, and a well-crafted visual can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your ad or scrolling past it. Thirdly, don't be afraid to test different ad types. YouTube offers a variety of ad formats, from skippable and non-skippable video ads to discovery ads and bumper ads. Each format has its own strengths and can be effective in different scenarios. Experimenting with different ad types allows you to understand what works best for your brand and can provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences. Finally, it's crucial to regularly review your campaign performance. This means not just checking the numbers, but really digging deep into the data. Which ads are performing well? Which ones aren't? What trends are you noticing? This continuous analysis allows you to tweak and refine your strategy, ensuring that your YouTube ads are always performing at their best. Remember, effective YouTube advertising is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires a delicate balance of targeting, creativity, testing, and analysis. By following these best practices, you're well on your way to mastering YouTube ads. And there you have it, a complete blueprint for mastering YouTube ads. We've journeyed through understanding the basics, where we highlighted the importance of knowing your audience and the different types of ads YouTube offers. We delved into setting up a campaign, a crucial step that requires careful planning and strategic targeting. Then, we explored creating engaging ads, because it's not just about reaching your audience, it's about captivating them, making them want to know more. We also talked about optimizing campaigns, an ongoing process that involves testing, analyzing, and refining your strategies to maximize results. Finally, we touched on best practices, because adhering to these guidelines can be the difference between an effective campaign and one that falls flat. Remember, every ad is a learning opportunity. Thank you for joining this masterclass. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, happy advertising.